kids! Whoa! This is a bubble tea. Let's draw it. Begin with a semicircle. The ears, eyes, a nose and a cute smile. We are drawing a cute panda lid. A straw popping out of the cute panda face. Then the see-through cup. Add some waves there. And finally, the tapioca bubbles. Let's thicken those borders. Keep going. Time to paint. Let's start with sparkling red for the straw. And glittery pink for the ears. Use this silver shiny white for Panda's face. Sparkling black for Panda's eyes. Red for the nose and tongue. Some pink. Bright and shiny yellow for the lid. We will start with icy cool blue for the first layer. Woo! Bubbling already. Berry purple for the second layer. Matcha green for the third layer. Bright and shiny yellow. And lastly, strawberry pink for the final layer. Looks so appetizing already. Use shiny brown for our tapioca bubbles. Here is our colorful bubble tea. Wanna sip some? See you next time. Bye-bye.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art.